Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to filter data in a specific column when that data isn't needed in the report. In the Home tab, under the Get and Transform Data section, you can click Get Data and then select Launch Power Query Editor. Select the data table you want to work with. Then, click the drop-down button next to the name of the column you want to filter. At the bottom, you'll see a list of available data. You can check the data you need. Each step we perform will be saved in the Applied Steps section. All steps will be executed automatically whenever you refresh the data. Don't forget to rename each step for easier reference in the future. Once you're done, you can click Close and Apply in the Home tab. And you're done. Now, you can explore the data and create interactive reports. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.